Hello, welcome to Kokolo English. This is an ESL class where you'll learn step by step. This is real-life English you can start using today.
Welcome to today's English lesson. Our goal is to help you speak English clearly and naturally.
Today, you'll learn simple and polite English for phone calls. You may feel nervous speaking English on the phone. That's okay. You'll learn to use short, easy phrases. Clear English is more important than perfect English.
Why are phone calls difficult? Phone calls can make you feel nervous because you can't see the other person's face. Also, sometimes people speak very fast, but the good news is that short and simple phrases work best on the phone.
These are today's goals. You'll practice useful phrases you can reuse again and again in real life. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to answer the phone politely, ask someone to repeat or speak slowly, give yourself time to think, end a phone call politely.
The lesson is designed for you to listen to examples, then practice your English. After we talk, a practice box signals it's your turn to speak. It's okay if you make a mistake. Mistakes are an important part of learning. Just keep trying.
The female voice with red text is me, Paris.
And the male voice with blue text is me, Mark.
Answering the phone. When your phone rings, keep it simple. You can say hello. That's a correct and polite way. You can also say, "Hello, this is Paris." If someone asks, "Is this Paris?" you can say, "Yes, speaking." This sounds natural and professional. Simple ways to answer the phone. Hello, this is Paris. Yes, speaking. Now it's your turn to practice. Hello, this is Paris. Yes, speaking. Answering the phone with a simple phrase works best.
If you don't understand, when answering the phone, you don't need to understand every word spoken. Listen for the main idea. If you don't understand, it's okay for you to say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?" "Sorry, can you speak more slowly, please? I didn't catch that." These are examples.
The meeting is at 3:45 tomorrow.
"Sorry, can you repeat that?"
I'm just about ready, then I'll come over right away and pick you up.
"Sorry, can you speak more slowly, please?"
Hey, you going to the cinema tonight?
I didn't catch that. Now it's your turn to practice. "Sorry, can you repeat that?" "Sorry, can you speak more slowly, please?" I didn't catch that. When you answer, try to listen to the caller's main idea. If you don't understand, it's okay to say so.
When you need time. Sometimes you may need more time to think about what's been said. That's normal. When that happens, you can say, "Just a moment, please. Let me check." I'm not sure right now. These phrases are honest and polite. These are examples.
What is the price of that?
Just a moment, please.
Are you joining us for a movie and pizza tonight?
I'm not sure right now.
Has the meeting time been changed?
Let me check. Now it's your turn to practice. Just a moment, please. Let me check. I'm not sure right now. If you're not sure what's been said, it's okay to take time to think.
Ending the call before you hang up and the phone call politely. You can say, Thank you for calling. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day. A polite ending makes the whole phone call feel successful. These are examples.
Bye for now, Mark. See you later.
Thank you for calling.
That's all for now. Hope my instructions were helpful.
Thanks for your time.
Thank you for helping me with my order.
Have a nice day. Now it's your turn to practice these polite endings. Thank you for calling. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day. How you end a phone call is just as important as how you begin a phone call.
Important lesson tips. Answering a cell phone call doesn't need to be stressful. Short sentences help you stay calm. Speaking clearly is better than trying to speak fast. You don't need perfect grammar. It's not a test. Practice pretending to answer a phone call will help build confidence.
Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Many beginner learners say yes even when they don't understand. This can cause problems.
Mistake 2. Speaking too fast because you're nervous. Remember, speaking clearly is better than trying to speak fast.
Mistake 3. Hanging up the phone and ending the call suddenly. Always say a polite goodbye.
Well, that's all for this class. Be sure to practice this lesson often.
Lesson summary. Today you learned simple, polite, and useful phone call phrases. How to answer a call politely. What to say if you don't understand. What to say if you need more time to think. How to end a call politely. English on the phone becomes much easier with daily practice. Best of all, you can start using what you learned today with family, friends, or at work.
If this lesson was helpful, please give us a like and subscribe. See you next class. Bye for now.